Hello, my name is Linda Peña. I will speak the Unit 3 talking about activities and plans. Task 7 talking about activities and plans. What are your plans for the weekend? For the weekend, I had planned to go out for a walk. I am going to go to the river to swim and eat fish for lunch. At night, I want to go to the cinema to see a premiere movie and eat popcorn. When I leave the cinema, I want to go to the disco and drink a beer. What is your job or study routine? Every day I get up at 6 o'clock. I take a shower, brush my teeth, I prepare my breakfast, and 7 o'clock I arrive at my work. I turn on my computer, I check my email, I answer the emails, I carry out compliments, and inform my boss about the activities that we should carry out. I must also review the schedule and attend to CCC and 12 o'clock I have lunch and rest for 2 hours. At 2 o'clock I have to make calls to clients after my work day. And 6 o'clock I return to my house. At 9 o'clock at night I carry out the activities of the university. What sports do you practice? The sport that I like the most is swimming. It is a sport that must be done in the weather. You need a bathing suit and a swim cap in addition to having dexterity in arms and legs. Which country would you like to travel to? Why? I would like to travel to the United States because it is a world power, because it has many beautiful cities, many parks like the Disney World, and I would love to eat at McDonald's hamburger. I want to travel to United States, also to practice the English language.